Last session we talked about a remark on the day opening, how we open the day, how we choose to open the day. Now it was in a sense a monologue. Monologue means unipolar. Dialogue, dipolar. So when you interact, you will be subjected to the kind of traits that the other person is using. Somebody or the other, your response will be in that. Very rarely you get a chance to say, I repeat what I said, I maintain what I said, that's the final thing I said, this is what I said. It's not going to happen like that. So on par, communication on par, you are okay, I am okay. Communication on par, we are going to have a different scenario. So it's going to be mathematically very, very complex. The analytical challenge is enormous. Right now, in the monologic conversation that we studied, we had just one act to study. There was no process that we had to study. I'm doing this at the cost of the speed of thinking of the listener. I'm doing it at the cost of inviting a high speed interception by the audience. But in order that we get pre-alarmed about the complexities of human behavior, in any case, we are going to talk about one among the 100. So 99% of the times you can make a mistake. If you look at the law of averages, among the 100, you might be making that mistake. So we want to filter out all that trash of our thinking, our judgment, our analysis, how we value others, how we value their talk. So just an alarm for that bipolarity of our existence. Here, it's me and the nature around me. There, me and my colleague, my wife, my brother, my friend, my child. There is that dialogue going on. Just to get used to it, I'm prematurely introducing to you this conversation. Ready? A young girl from Kenya, born to a British lady and a Kenyan father. She now studies in Japan. Boy is born in Pakistan and is originally from South Africa. He now studies in Germany for the last 10 years. Maybe they are both in early 20s. They meet at the proverbial London Bridge. Hopefully, it was not falling at that time. Girl speaks broken English, boy speaks complete English. So, here we go. Girl, rain, no rain, again yes, again not. Boy, yes, madam, London weather, it is called highly unpredictable. What? The girl asks. Boy, I mean that you cannot know when it will rain, when it will not, and when it will rain again. Girl responds, yeah, yeah. Boy, let's go for a coffee parlor. Girl, is it you, Bill? Boy said, yes, yes, yes. I will be the host. You know, most Pakistanis make good hosts. Unfortunately, most Londoners make only good guests. Unfortunately, most Londoners make only good guests. Good. Coffee good. Coffee very good. No London? Boy says, no, I too have come here for the first time. Girl says, what? First time London, before not. Ha ha, it's real fun talking to you. A simple most communication between two people. And what are we there for? Understanding about this communication. Okay, the three major, we'll not go too far into the word by word and sentence by sentence and pause by pause. You cannot forget the pauses. If you're in theatrics, you cannot forget the pauses. They say the original version of of a great dramatist was to bring silence to you. The sounds came in, they were a necessary part to hear the silence. And that's a drama between the silence and the sounds. Maybe look at those complexities slightly later. It'll be fun to do it. It'll extract the best of the mathematician among all of us. And a painter. That we have so many colors to paint with, so many shades to paint with. And of course, the picture will change from one picture frame to another, to another, to another, before it's made into a movie. We'll not go too further into this. We'll just take a stock, a very general, a very ordinary stock of the situation. That says to me that the three major traits that the girl operationalized, we don't operationalize all the traits all the time. Of course, the stock of the traits that we deal with, the currencies that we have itself are quite small in numbers. And our job is to entertain people now into using a larger number of currencies, bring them into the business. We are in the business. I am to understand people, and via that understanding, I'm trying to let you understand what I understand, so that you feel there is at least one person who understands me, as in you, and our friendship, our brethren, grows. Before I forget to say this, I must make a small detour and say the pedigree of a researcher is all alone. In the true pedigree of a researcher, he's all alone. So as he comes to some sort of a conviction about what he's and brings all his confusions to convictions, he wants somebody to share. So I'm sharing my research with you. So a little bit of more on that. Three major traits activated by the girl, the Kenyan girl, are approachable, imaginative, and soft. Approachable, imaginative, and soft, in six major traits activated by the boy. This is where the gender constitution comes in. Men, in general, do exhibit more traits at any given point of time. A lady will not, by nature of being a lady, the femininity is the showcase of the limited number of traits that she explores and executes in place with. Six major traits activated by the boy are knowledgeable, communicative, humanitarian, empathetic, entertainer, initiator. Initiator. Although the lady started the communication by and large, the boy was sticking to initiation much more than the lady was doing. She was playing an innocent talker. The boy was much more organized. They are outside their respective homes. They are in a public place. And we see, therefore, the influence of the gender there. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is just a sample of interpersonal communication. We have a long way to go before we understand completely what monologues are and how monologues are. But this is just to expose you to the further and future complexities. Thank you very much for being with me, and we'll come back to you with the next episode. And I'll come back to you with the next episode. Personality